Hello, Witchfolk. Welcome to our coven. We are angels on broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo. I'm Kristin.
And I'm Evangeline. And here on this channel, we see makeup as something that is fun, creative, magical, and definitely for everybody. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. So today is just a bit of a fun one. We're trying out this newish palette I got from Ofra. It's the Good to Go palette. So basically this is almost like a travel palette. Not that we've been doing any of that lately, but I really like the concept of it. You got a blush, you got a bronzer, you've got one of their like best-selling highlighters, which is all of the lights. And then we have some fun peachy colors, shimmers, mattes, pop of blue. Can't go wrong with a pop of blue.
I think that's green.
Green.
Meh.
Green, blue.
I love Ofra's aesthetic. I love the embossed, whatever it is, sunburst thing.
Yeah.
I think it's really cute. And you can pop these out.
Mm-hmm. So if you run out of pan, I guess you can order.
I guess.
I don't know. But
How do you feel about face palettes?
palettes for the face, like
yeah,
with the
like
blush,
it's
with
got
the bronze?
everything.
Well, I've used this a couple times and so far so good. I like this idea for traveling because you don't have any of that like finicky plastic packaging when you're like got your little makeup bag, you know what I mean?
And then it all beating up against each other and smushing. Yes.
So we're just gonna try and make like a full face with this, see how well it goes, and just have fun with these colors.
Yes.
All right, let's get started. We can't see the names of the colors because they're on the back, so we'll just say orange or whatever.
So I'm going to go in regular order, like bronzer.
Yeah. Lately we've been doing our eyes kind of.
This is a dark bronzer, is it?
I'd say it's like medium. It's what I noticed about this bronzer so far is that it can like build up. Like you can apply it pretty lightly because it doesn't pick up like crazy.
Okay.
So I think that's what helps make it a bit more
I like
universal.
that. I like a bronzer like that.
Yeah. I feel like I want to look bronzy today because it's
summery.
sunny.
It's very summery out.
Finally. This bronzer's matte, by the way, and it could almost be a contour shade. It's a bit more like not super, super warm, so.
This is a very corally blush. Yeah, this is the same thing. It doesn't, like it builds up, right? It doesn't go on too much.
Yeah.
I like that.
What I think I'm going to do is mix one of the eyeshadow shades with the blush.
Yeah.
Because it's a little...
Oh, you're going to do that one. I was going to do the light one.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Never mind.
I've never had an Ofra highlighter before this. And I got this in a BoxyCharm, by the way. BoxyCharm! I think it was Lauren May, maybe, using it, I think. And I just thought it was such a cute palette. I was literally going to buy it from Ofra, and then it came up on
Isn't that amazing when that happens?
Yes. I was so happy.
I was hoping I would get a Natasha Denona palette this month, but I did not.
No.
I was very disappointed.
I did get one.
You did?
Not this last month, remember? The pewter neutral Natasha Denona.
This makes me so mad. I want it.
I'm really building up the blush because that's what I like to do. Watch me go in with more later.
These highlights are great. Like, they're as good as any other highlight like that. What's that brand I even got sucked into because they're going out of business?
Oh, Becca.
Yeah, Becca. These are as good.
They're almost like more metallic, so you could like really, really build it up. Did you just swish around the colors? Yeah.
I like the pink coming through.
Oh, okay.
It's really nice. I really like this. I would get this.
Yeah?
Yes, like it. Like it. Like it.
Yeah, I'm going to pull some of that pink more.
Okay. So, I watched the best thing on Netflix last night called Halston.
What is it?
Do you know who Halston is?
No.
Halston was a designer back in the disco days.
Okay.
And it was the story of his life. It was really good. Ewan McGregor was fantastic. He really because I know who Halston is because I grew up in that time. And he's the one responsible for Ultra Suede.
What's that?
Like a suede you can washable suede. And he made these dresses, like shirt dresses, and he made Jackie Kennedy's pillbox hats.
Oh, I know.
That's his claim to fame.
Oh, okay.
And he grew up in Indiana, and then he went to New York, and he put on a mid-Atlantic accent. And yeah, and he was a volatile man, like he was like problematic, but he was, a genius in his time. And he worked very closely with Elsa Peretti, who was a model, but then she became a jewelry designer for Tiffany. So I Googled her and I just found out she passed away recently in March. Mm-hmm. See, I watched this YouTube channel, Who Died This Month. She didn't come up. I love it. Oh, it's terrible.
Like a lot of people die every month, famous people.
Yeah, because nowadays I used to always go on gossip websites.
Yes.
But now I never do. So I never know who dies.
Oh, sad.
Sometimes people miss it on Facebook.
Yeah. So it's worth watching, even for someone who doesn't
Oh my
know
God,
the
it's such
history.
an interesting story. So good.
Okay.
The actors in it are so good. Bill Pullman is in it, and I'm in love with him. Call me. Yeah, he's age appropriate.
Oh, good.
You know me. Never going age appropriate, but he's
There are no age appropriate men.
No, and age appropriate men I'll
exist.
go for like 30-year-olds.
Yeah, they do.
Why is that age appropriate men? Give me the answer. Who do you think you are? I like this red color.
Yeah. It's like a reddy pink. That's what I put on my cheeks as well. I'm just going in with the orange at first and building it up in the crease and the lower lash line.
I use the peachy shade for the crease. And now I'm just deepening. And I finally gave myself permission to stop watching Handmaid's Tale.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, seriously. Get off the island, Gilligan.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Like, she's like the Wile E. Coyote in Bugs Bunny. They keep, stomping anvils on top of her head, and she keeps dusting herself up and going back to Gilead.
I know. I was
like-
frustrated in the last... Oh, never mind. I'm not going to spoil anything.
Okay, no spoilers, but come on.
I'm just diffusing the orange a little bit, blending it out.
I'm putting the green on the lid with my
Nice.
thingy.
I'm avoiding it because it's the color that I would always go for. It's the color that practically made me buy the palette.
It's really cute. Are you going to use some eyeliner?
Yes,
Me
because
too.
there's not a super deep shade, so I'm going to do just a classic black wing
Me
with
too.
this.
I'm going to do some lineage.
So just going to put that pink all over the lid. Oh, I tried that Katie Jane Hughes liner yesterday. I
Oh, was it bad?
didn't like it. It was like a 3-color liner, but I didn't have any liners, so I was trying to use eyeshadow.
Oh.
And it was like, and I was wetting the eyeshadow with Fix Plus, and they're all bleeding into each other.
Damn.
I kind of got a look, but I didn't like it.
I have some of those liners.
Yeah. I realized afterwards I actually had some like cream liners, the perfect color for them. I'm going to go back in with the orange and just deepen it up in the crease, make it pop.
Yeah, I'm doing the same with my peachy shade.
There's sort of a pretty rosy metallic I'm going to tap onto the lid. Let us know if you are a fan of Ofra and Ofra highlighters in particular. I feel like they're a cult classic, and I've been left
too.
behind in the dust.
Me too. I never even really heard of the brand until like a year ago.
Oh, yeah?
You?
My friend likes their lipsticks a lot.
Oh.
I'm going to take one of the shades from the highlighter in the middle, maybe a bit of the pink and the champagne, and put it in the inner corner.
Champagne.
Champagne for everyone.
Anyone know that reference?
Nobody.
I like the 70s. That's a Halston era.
Okay. It's like, okay.
I think this is 70s colors.
Yeah?
And I bought a palette that we're going to do a thing on soon.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to tell you what it is and then you're not going to know until the end.
You're going to have to guess.
Because it's embarrassing. Like you can be embarrassed to have it, a Jeffree Star palette.
Oh, yeah. I'm embarrassed.
I have one and I'm not embarrassed. I think it's cute.
Okay, so I'm going to use for my liner the Rituel de Fille kohl liner because it's so much easier than a, liquid liner. And a really, really, really thin tip angled brush.
I'm using it too.
What I like about it is how easily like it embeds close into the lash line, if that makes any sense. Like, just kind of melts.
Mm-hmm.
Unlike a liquid liner, which any little tiny movement, like it catches on your skin and you see that boom, boom.
Yeah. Boom, boom.
Ugh. This is so much more creamy, easy to use. Watch me fuck this up.
I like it too to be as a base for a shadow. It's very versatile product. Yeah, if you're, say you're putting a multi-chrome on top or something.
Oh, okay.
It's cute. We're going to do a highlight inner corner too.
See, there's a wing. It's kind of a funny looking wing. It looks like a boomerang today. And also what's nice about this liner is you can just clean it up so easily.
Yes.
With a brush or concealer or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to do the other eye off camera because you don't need to watch me, and we're going to do our mascara and be right back. Okay. All finished, and let's finish off the look with some lips. What lips that you got?
I got a orange.
Yeah, I was going to do an orange.
From, yeah. Haha.
Well, I was either doing the Fenty. Oh, Freckle Fiesta?
No.
Oh, you have the other one, the brighter one.
Yeah.
Saucy.
Mm-hmm.
Or I have my Ritual de Fille and Bloodroot, which is a bit pinkier. I think I'm going to try the Ritual de Fille. This is almost more like the pinky red on my eyes than the orange, which is nice. Oh, look, wine stain from last night.
Whoa, what did you do last night?
Just had a glass of wine. I always have wine and it stays right there.
Where? Oh, yeah, I have that, yeah, on my grad school picture. A big wine stain. It looks like a herpes sore. He said he was going to edit it out, and he never did.
Rude. This is my warmer alternative to the Endless Cacao. It's the Wherever Walnut by Makeup Forever. And I don't want a cool tone liner. It's really nice.
This is a little orangey. I'm going to put a bit of pink in there, too. Because I can. What color is this one?
I think that's the Candy Venom. And I think I'm going to top it off with a little bit of gloss, the Luxe Lip Oil from ColourPop.
There, I'm done.
Okay, these are the finished looks. What do you think? I think this is so pretty and so fun. I have used it a couple times, but I don't know, I really have liked it every time I've used it. And I think it has a really good mix of metallics and mattes. And, you know, you can go multi-purpose with the metallics, whether you're putting it on your inner corner, whether you're doing a massive highlight. You can build this highlight up so much.
Yeah.
It can be like blinding.
Yeah, that's what we like.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Yeah,
of it?
I like it. I'm not a fan necessarily of face palettes. I find them very puerile. But I like this one.
It's puerile.
Like childish.
Childish. Oh.
Like
no.
for children.
This is not children's makeup like Glossier. It's not children's
Glossier. No, but I like this a lot. I love the highlight. Love it.
Yeah, super cute.
No, and I love the packaging.
Yeah.
Boop.
Yeah, so that's it for today. Definitely stay tuned for our next video. Not quite sure what it is yet, but we'll be back.
I think it's going to be the embarrassing palette.
Oh, is that the embarrassing palette?
So.
Okay. Hopefully it's that. So we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye.